Okay, I got two pieces of plywood 4x8. I'm gonna see if it fits into a Honda Pilot. Okay, this is how it fits. It's touching the back seat. So looks like I have to move the driver's side up. I have no more space. This is what I did. I was able to fit it inside the vehicle, but I have it tilted above the headrest. Not what I want, but this will do. Okay, this is what I did. Not a good idea, but well, I'm taking a picture of the passenger side. As you can see, while I'm sitting down, this plywood is hitting my head. It's extremely uncomfortable.